Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best jigsaws for woodworking that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Makita 4329K Top Handle Woodworking Jigsaw. The Makita 4329K holds the second top in position because of its positive review from users. This variable speed top handle jigsaw mixes a powerful 3.9 amp motor with 3 orbital settings. With this setting, a variety of straight cuts can be possible within a minute. The saw motor is dynamically balanced for less tool vibration up to 40% and less sound than other jigsaws in the market. A die-cast aluminum base adjusts right or left up to 45 degrees and positive stop at 90 degrees for reliable cutting completion. It has an 11/16 inch stroke length with a wood cutting capacity of 2 to 9/16 of an inch and a steel cutting capacity of 1/4 of an inch at 90 degrees angle. The rubberized grip and large trigger with lock-on button switch give more control and comfort to you. You can cut a variety of stuff with different speed settings from 500 to 3100 SPM. To keep in mind about dust, this jigsaw has an excellent dust management system using a clear dust cover and vacuum. The counterweight balancing system reduces vibration to enhance the user experience. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Skil 449502 Corded Orbital Action Laser Jigsaw. Skil 449502 would not be perfect for heavy long day work, but the jigsaw would still be a reliable companion for woodworking in your workshop. It has a sturdy 6 amp motor that can go up to 3200 strokes per minute, SPM. Even with such speeds, it allows its users to get more command on the tool. The jigsaw comes with a 4-position orbital cut control and a variable speed trigger to help creative minds work. Also, the speed trigger lock system intended to keep the blade's velocity within the desired limits. The laser guide apparently helps you achieve straighter cuts without the help of the old pencil or pen trick. The lesser vibrations of the machine lessen the noise at operating time to provide more accurate cuts and stable operation. You can also set the machine's angles at the 45 and 22.5 degrees to achieve your desired bevel cuts. The jigsaw can also do this in reverse directions, which is even more impressive. At number 3, we have the Black+Decker BTEJS600C Smart Select Jigsaw. If you need a smooth and versatile jigsaw for custom cuts, then Black+Decker BTEJS600C Smart Select Jigsaw is easily the best jigsaw for the money with some fantastic features. It has a 5 amp variable speed motor that delivers up to 3000 SPM of cutting energy. The significant part about this jigsaw is that the curve control technology allows the user to adjust saw's orbit in 4 customized settings. The trigger-operated variable speed makes the jigsaw so much easier to control for woodworking. The double-rotating flexible and adjustable shoe allows you to make 45-degree bevel cuts in both directions for stability. So that sturdy metal base keeps the saw firmly planted down into thick wood to avoid a sloppy cut. Another useful feature we want to mention is the blade release lever lifting down. Easy removable and changeable blades save a whole lot of time in the workshop. The new and improved front wire guard helps reduce the chances of bumping, but it is more useful for aiming your cuts. The built-in dust blower manages dirt at the working time. At number 2, we have the PORTERCABLE PCE 345 Orbital Jigsaw for woodworking. If you are searching for a powerful, well-designed corded jigsaw, then PORTERCABLE PCE 345 can be purchased at an affordable price. This potent tool is one of the best options when facing difficulties in cutting thick wood. This jigsaw is powered by a 6 amp motor capable of producing a no-load speed of up to 3200 SPM. To get an optimal cutting result in a multiple speed setting with 7 different positions, this jigsaw is a masterpiece. It coupled with 4 orbital settings that allow you to cut any material. This powerful jigsaw accommodates large over-molded grips on the front and top handles and an easy lock-on button, which reduces user fatigue. To speed up work, it has a tool-free blade changing system. Simply raise the old blade out and snap a new one to get back to work. And finally at number 1, we have the Hitachi CJ18 DGLP4 Cordless Woodworking Jigsaw. Hitachi CJ18 DGLP4 wireless jigsaw is known for its smart and efficient performance for cutting hardwood and plywood and its soft and ergonomic handle grip. You can work longer without any fatigue and getting tired of this lightweight jigsaw. Another great facility is its battery is compatible with all Hitachi 18 volts lithium-ion batteries, so finding the power you need is easy enough. Less weight and 3x the total battery life of traditional NICD batteries enhances saw's longevity. A tool-free blade changing system allows for quick replacements and soft grip handle for improved comfort and less fatigue. To facilitate user visibility, it has an LED light, and 3 modes of orbital action allow the cutting of different materials. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.